Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So to become Krishna conscious, we require to understand three things only. Bhoktaram Jagatapasam Sarvalokamaheswaram Sridam Sarvabhutanam Gyatkamang Shantimichyati. Every one of us is trying to be happy, satisfied. That is the struggle for existence. But if we understand these three principles, so God is the Supreme Father, God is the Supreme Proprietor, God is the Supreme Friend. These three things. If you understand, then you become peaceful immediately. Immediately. You are seeking friends to get help. So many. But if we simply accept God, Krishna as my friend, Supreme Friend, your friendship problem is solved. Similarly, if we accept God as the Supreme Proprietor, then our other problem is solved. Because we are falsely claiming proprietorship of things which belong to God. By falsely claiming that this land of America belongs to the Americans, the land of Africa belongs to the Africans. No. Every land belongs to God. We are different sons of God in different dresses. We have got right to enjoy the property of Father God without infringing others' right. Just like in family, we live so many brothers, so whatever father, mother gives us to eat, we eat. We don't encroach upon others' place. That is not civilized family. Similarly, if we become God conscious, Krishna conscious, then the whole problems of the world, sociology, religion, economic development, politics, everything will be solved. That's a fact. Therefore, we are trying to spread this Krishna consciousness movement for total benefit of the human society. We request the intelligent persons, especially the students community, to join this movement, to try to understand scientifically what is this movement. We have got many books, at least 24 books, big voluminous. So you can read them, you can try to understand this movement and join with us. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.